You ready?
Yeah.
Action. Ow! What the fuck? Ow! Fucking bitch!
Nicola's trying to get it.
Let's just let the stupid things go.
Let's put Maddie there. Let's put Maddie there.
Didn't work.
Yeah, get Maddie. Get Maddie.
No.
Yeah, just get her.
Feeding to the mouse.
Come here, Maddie. Come here, baby. Wow! Wow!
We got one victim left.
Up close and personal. Woo! Woo! There we go.
Jump, little mousey. Just jump here, dear.
We escape.
Go away!
Hey, don't hit my dog.
You're the one laughing.
Animal cruelty.
No, get out of here.
Louie! Louie! Hold on a second.
Breaks loose.
Alright, now that he's inside. No, don't put it in the box. Don't put it in the box. Oh, I should see him jumping. Is that mouse still there? Hold on. Blue! Whoa! Whoa! Damn. Shit. Alright. We're getting there. Yeah, she's
Keep breathing.
Why don't you go in there?
Try dumping it over. Alright, since Amanda couldn't do this, let's try doing it sideways. There it goes! Go, hello!
Well, look at the picture going on.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm just watching you eat. Watching you eat. I'm just watching you eat. Watching you eat.
Let you choke. Let you choke.
toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night